If you're over 60, what you need isn't more medication. It's natural, safe, and effective solutions to help you live healthier every single day. I'm Naim, a senior health advisor with over 20 years of experience. And today, I'll reveal a shockingly simple formula. Did you know that with just castor oil and a bit of baking soda, you can instantly ease 14 stubborn health issues that almost every senior faces? From joint pain, insomnia, to chronic fatigue due to a weak immune system. All of these can be dramatically improved with this natural blend, which has been tested and recommended by international health experts. In this video, I, a specialist in elderly wellness, will show you how to use castor oil and baking soda correctly, in the right dosage, and most importantly, how to apply it for each specific symptom so you can improve your health at home without relying on pharmaceuticals. Direct hit, don't take your eyes off the screen, because just missing a few seconds might mean missing out on a simple yet powerful remedy for yourself or a loved one. Lotion Bottle Part 1. Castor Oil, Nature's Healing Elixir. 1. Origins and Medical History. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and has been used for over 4,000 years in traditional medicine across Egypt, India, and China. The Egyptians used castor oil for constipation, dry skin, and hair care. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's known as a detox oil, purifying the liver, intestines, and skin. 2. Active ingredients, potent biological effects. Ricinoleic acid, 90% of the oil. Strong anti-inflammatory, natural pain relief, and antimicrobial properties. When absorbed through the skin, it activates prostaglandin receptors, reducing inflammation without pharmaceuticals. Vitamin E and omega-9 nourishes skin cells and promotes soft tissue repair. Highly effective for joint pain, tendon issues, and muscle soreness. 3. Healing benefits. Topical compresses for joint pain, tendinitis, varicose veins, sciatica, calluses. Direct application calms eczema, insect bites, minor skin inflammations. With massage, improves circulation, relaxes the nervous system, stimulates lymphatic detoxification. Spoon baking soda, the natural alkaline balancer. 1. Alkalinity, key for elderly wellness. As we age, the body becomes mildly acidic due to diet, medication, and chronic stress. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is mildly alkaline. It neutralizes acid, reduces inflammation, and slows oxidative damage. 2. Antimicrobial properties, fights fungus and odor. It alters skin pH to stop bacterial and fungal growth. Excellent for treating athlete's foot, nail fungus, odor, and sensitive skin areas. 3. Gentle, yet deep impact. Topically, softens thickened skin, allowing castor oil to penetrate more deeply. Internally, in very small amounts, helps reduce stomach acidity, heartburn, and bloating. Microscope, the powerful combination, a healing duo. Castor oil, the active healer, softens, penetrates, and treats. Baking soda, the environment adjuster, enhances absorption and boosts antimicrobial effects. Together, they form a blend that, backhand index pointing right, reduces inflammation, fights infection, softens tissue, balances pH, gently detoxifies. This is why such a simple mixture can powerfully address a wide range of health concerns in older adults, from joints and skin to digestion. Part 2. How to mix and apply. Simple, but must be precise. Test Tube 1. Basic formula, the golden ratio for maximum benefit. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Magnifying glass tilted left. Why this ratio? A small amount of baking soda is enough to create an alkaline environment, cleansing and softening the skin. More castor oil is needed to cover the area, maintain moisture, and deliver healing properties. Sparkles texture, slightly thick, not too runny, ideal for skin adhesion and deep absorption. White heavy checkmark, optional enhancements. Add 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil for nerve relaxation, perfect for insomnia and chronic pain. Or peppermint essential oil for better circulation and muscle relief. Manganing massage 2. How to use for specific goals. White heavy checkmark A. Compresses for joints, veins, inflammation. How to do it. Apply mixture to affected area, knees, shoulders, lower back, ankles, varicose veins. Cover with a cotton cloth or clean fabric. Wrap with plastic wrap to seal heat and boost absorption. Add a warm towel or heating pad for 30 to 60 minutes. Frequency: 3 to 4 times per week for 2 to 3 weeks. Direct hit effects: heat opens up blood vessels, allowing deeper absorption, reduces swelling, muscle tension, and improves lymphatic flow, helping detox and healing. White heavy checkmark B. Foot care: for fungus, cracked heels, odor. Best for toenail fungus, brittle nails, foot odor. Cracked heels, rough skin, calluses. How to use: gently massage the blend into soles, between toes and nails. Let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, dry thoroughly. Frequency: once daily, at night, for 7 to 10 days. Direct hit benefits: baking soda kills fungus. Castor oil repairs and softens. Reduces infection risks in seniors with poor circulation and slow wound healing. White heavy checkmark C. Oral use: caution, selective cases only. Warning: only under doctor's guidance. Avoid if you have stomach issues, low blood pressure, or chronic illnesses. How to use: mix 1 to 2 drops of castor oil in a cup of warm water with a pinch of baking soda, less than 1/4 teaspoon. Drink in the morning on an empty stomach, no more than 3 days in a row. Direct hit effects: mild digestive stimulation, relieves bloating, supports bowel movement. Slightly alkalizes the system, good for mild acidosis, too much acidity in blood or urine. Pushpin safety reminders for seniors: always do a patch test first. Apply on a small area of skin and wait 24 hours. Avoid open wounds, infected areas, or unknown allergic reactions. If you have chronic conditions, especially heart issues, consult your doctor first. White heavy checkmark part 3. 14 health issues that may be instantly improved. Coming up next, would you like me to continue translating and formatting this section too? Bone 1. Knee pain and rheumatoid arthritis. Direct hit common issue. For older adults, knee pain and rheumatoid arthritis aren't just about wear and tear. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks the joints, causing swelling, redness, and warmth. Deep, persistent pain. Morning stiffness. Light bulb: the real danger? Prolonged inflammation can deform joints, severely impair mobility, and drastically lower quality of life. Test tube: how castor oil plus baking soda helps. White heavy checkmark castor oil, nature's anti-inflammatory. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil can suppress inflammatory mediators like prostaglandins and histamines, soothe damaged tissues and relieve pain, penetrate deep into skin layers, delivering nutrients without oral meds. Green circle bonus: it improves local blood circulation, helping repair mildly damaged cartilage. White heavy checkmark baking soda, alkalizing and anti-inflammatory. Acidic environments in the body tend to worsen inflammation. Baking soda helps by creating a more alkaline environment, reducing swelling, redness, and heat around joints, neutralizing uric acid and toxins that cause pain. Also acts as a gentle cleanser, improving castor oil absorption. Lotion bottle: how to use for knee pain. Wrench what you need: 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix into a thick paste. Person getting massage application: apply directly to the entire knee area. Cover with cotton gauze or a thin cloth. Wrap gently with cling film to keep it in place. Apply warm compress for 30 to 45 minutes. Wipe clean with a warm towel. Calendar frequency: 3 to 4 times a week, for at least 2 weeks for visible relief. Magnifying glass tilted left: typical results. After 1 to 2 uses: less dull pain, improved sleep. After 1 week: less swelling, reduced stiffness in the morning. After 2 to 3 weeks: easier movement, less pain on stairs. Pushpin important notes: don't apply on open wounds, infections, or severe skin issues. Not a substitute for prescribed medication, but an excellent natural aid. Combine with physical therapy, light exercise, and collagen-rich foods for best results. Foot 2. Cracked heels and hard skin. Direct hit common in seniors aged 60 plus due to loss of skin hydration and collagen, reduced natural oil production, improper footwear, poor circulation in the legs. Collision: cracked heels can be painful, lead to bleeding, and increase the risk of infections, especially in diabetics. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda helps. White heavy checkmark castor oil, deeply nourishing. A powerful natural moisturizer that penetrates tough skin. Rich in vitamin E, omega-9 fatty acids, and ricinoleic acid. Softens thickened skin. Promotes new skin cell growth. Has antibacterial properties to prevent infections. Herb often gives immediate relief after first application. White heavy checkmark baking soda. Exfoliates and cleanses. Mild exfoliant that removes built-up dead skin. Creates an alkaline, antifungal environment. Helpful for fungal heel infections and foot odor. Lotion bottle how to use for cracked heels. Rinse what you need. 1 tablespoon castor oil. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix into a soft paste. Footprints application. Soak feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat dry. Then apply mixture on cracked/hard areas. Wear clean cotton socks overnight for best absorption. Rinse with warm water the next morning. Calendar frequency. Nightly for 7 to 10 days. Magnifying glass tilted left visible results. Day 1. Softer skin, less tightness and pain. Day 3 to 5. Dead skin peels gently, cracks begin to close. After 1 week. Healthy, smooth, and pinkish heels. Pushpin expert tips. Don't apply to deep, bleeding cracks. Wait until they close. Gently file heels after soaking for better results. For long-term care, maintain with 2 to 3 applications/week. Microbe 3. Toenail fungus and foot odor. Firecracker common in older adults due to weakened skin immunity. Wearing closed shoes for long hours. Slow nail growth bacteria build up. Poor circulation weak nails prone to infection. Warning toenail fungus causes yellowing, brittleness, thickening, and can spread if untreated. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda helps. White heavy checkmark castor oil, antifungal power. Ricinoleic acid disrupts fungal cell walls and reduces skin inflammation. Supports skin healing around nails. Pushpin penetrates deeply under the nail, where creams can't easily reach. White heavy checkmark baking soda. Fights odor and fungus. Neutralizes acidic environments where fungus thrives. Reduces foot odor caused by bacterial breakdown of sweat. Cleanses skin surface, removing dead skin and fungal hiding spots. Footprints how to use. Wrench for toenail fungus, spot treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon castor oil plus half a teaspoon baking soda. Apply with a cotton swab to the infected nail, edges, and base. Leave on for 30 to 60 minutes or wrap with gauze. Calendar use nightly for at least 3 weeks. Wrench for foot odor, foot soak. Fill a basin with warm water, 2 liters. Add 1 tablespoon castor oil plus 1 tablespoon baking soda. Soak feet for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Light bulb tip. Dry thoroughly between toes afterward to prevent moisture buildup. Pushpin results. After 3 to 5 days. Reduced odor, drier skin. After 1 to 2 weeks, fungal flakes peel, less nail brittleness. After 3 to 4 weeks, new healthy nail grows, no more fungal spread. Warning professional advice. Use separate tools for infected nails to avoid spreading. Wash socks daily and dry thoroughly. For severe cases, pair with medical treatment. This is a strong support, not a full replacement. Nauseated face 4. Bloating, mild acid reflux, indigestion. Firecracker common digestive issues in people over 60. Bloating, tightness, shortness of breath after meals. Mild heartburn or acidic taste in throat. Sluggish digestion, especially after heavy or fatty meals. Warning: these often stem from decreased digestive enzyme production, lower stomach acid output, weak lower esophageal sphincter. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda helps. White heavy checkmark castor oil stimulates gut movement. Acts as a gentle lubricant for the small intestine and colon. Promotes mild bowel movement. Helps release trapped gas and food residue. Relieves post-meal heaviness. Light bulb, traditionally used in natural medicine to activate digestion gently. White heavy checkmark baking soda. Neutralizes excess stomach acid. Reduces burning and acid reflux. Eases stomach pressure. Creates a slightly alkaline pH, helping digestive enzymes work better. Pushpin works within minutes of consumption. Teacup without handle digestive relief method. Rinse how to use. Mix half a teaspoon baking soda in 100 milliliters warm water. Add 5 to 7 drops of pure castor oil. Stir gently. Drink 15 to 30 minutes after meals when feeling bloated. 2 o'clock notes. Only once per day, up to 3 to 4 times a week. Not on an empty stomach or if you have severe ulcers. Pushpin effects. Within minutes, heartburn eases, natural gas release. After a few days, less gas buildup, more regular bowel movement. Long-term, better post-meal digestion, lighter gut. 7. Insomnia and nervous tension in older adults. Firecracker common symptoms. Trouble falling asleep. Waking up in the middle of the night and unable to return to sleep. Feeling tense, restless, unable to calm the mind at night. Tired eyes, tossing and turning, constant racing thoughts. Prolonged nervous tension leading to fatigue and reduced quality of life. Warning: common causes. Decreased melatonin production due to aging. Nervous tension, anxiety, or depression, often related to underlying health issues. Irregular sleep habits, staying up late, waking too early. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda help reduce tension and support sleep. White heavy checkmark: castor oil soothes the nervous system and relaxes tense muscles. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil works to calm the nervous system by easing anxiety and tension, relieve physical fatigue and muscle aches, making it easier to fall asleep. Improve blood circulation, which supports the body's natural repair process during rest. White heavy checkmark: baking soda helps balance pH and calm the body. When applied topically, baking soda may neutralize excess acidity in muscles that contributes to physical tension. Enhance absorption and hydration when combined with oil. Create a gentle cooling effect that promotes relaxation. ZZZ how to use at home. Backhand index pointing right relaxing bedtime massage. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Gently massage the blend onto the soles of the feet, temples, or back of the neck. Optionally, cover the area with a warm cloth for 15 to 20 minutes to boost relaxation. Pushpin best used at night before bed to ease into sleep. Pushpin: what to expect. Immediately, muscles begin to relax. The body feels warmer and calmer. After 2 to 3 nights, falling asleep becomes easier, fewer nighttime awakenings. With regular use, improved sleep quality and reduced nervous tension. Warning: expert notes. Do not use if there are open wounds or inflamed skin at the application site. If anxiety, restlessness, or insomnia persist, consult a healthcare provider. Pair with regular sleep routines, light stretching, or calming herbal teas for better results. Do you find yourself lying awake every night, your mind spinning and your body tense? Try gently massaging castor oil mixed with a bit of baking soda onto your feet or temples. Within minutes, the calm returns, and sleep comes softly, like a gentle wave. Lightbulb castor oil has long been used to ease tension and promote natural, restful sleep. White heavy checkmark: baking soda, balancing pH and calming the body. When applied topically, baking soda can soothe the body by neutralizing acidity, ease the sensation of internal heat and discomfort caused by stress, promote gentle relaxation and reduce anxiety before bedtime. Wrench how to use castor oil plus baking soda for sleep and nervous tension. Backhand index pointing right. Method 1. Relaxing massage before bed. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to your back, shoulders, and neck, areas where you feel tension or soreness. Gently massage for 10 to 15 minutes, focusing on the upper neck and base of the skull. Pushpin: used before sleep for best results. You can enhance the effect by wrapping yourself in a warm, soft blanket. Backhand index pointing right. Method 2. Foot soak for deep relaxation. Fill a basin with warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Soak your feet for 20 minutes before bedtime to calm your body and mind. Pushpin: expected results. After massage, immediate sense of ease, muscle relaxation, and reduced anxiety. 3 to 5 days, fewer nighttime awakenings, improved sleep quality. Long-term, calms the nervous system, supports natural sleep, and lowers anxiety. Warning: expert advice. Avoid castor oil on open wounds or if you have a skin allergy. If insomnia is persistent or severe, consult a neurologist. Combine with a healthy bedtime routine, regular sleep schedule, no screens before bed. Speaking head, having trouble sleeping or feeling tense all day? Mix a little castor oil with baking soda and gently massage it into your body before bed. You'll feel the relaxation within minutes and wake up feeling more refreshed. 8. Itchy skin, mild eczema in seniors. Firecracker common symptoms. Dry, flaky skin, especially itchy after bathing or sun exposure. Red, inflamed skin with a burning or stinging sensation. Triggers like allergens, fabric materials, or sudden weather changes. Unexplained itching, rashes, or small blisters. Warning causes. Hormonal changes affecting skin quality. Exposure to allergens in soaps, cosmetics, or fabrics. Dry skin lacking natural moisture. Harsh weather conditions. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda help relieve itchy or inflamed skin. White heavy checkmark castor oil moisturizes and soothes. Ricinoleic acid provides natural anti-inflammatory benefits. Deeply hydrates skin, restoring the skin's protective barrier. Eases itching and reduces irritation. White heavy checkmark baking soda, anti-itch and pH balance. Relieves itching and minor inflammation. Balances skin pH to support healing. Helps unclog pores and prevent further irritation. Wrench how to use for itchy or mild eczema-prone skin. Backhand index pointing right. Method 1. Targeted application. Mix 1 tablespoon castor oil with 1/2 tablespoon baking soda. Apply to itchy or inflamed areas. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave on skin for 10 more minutes before rinsing with warm water. Pushpin repeat 2 to 3 times per week. Backhand index pointing right. Method 2. Full body soothing bath. Fill your tub with warm water. Add 2 tablespoons castor oil and 2 tablespoons baking soda. Soak for 20 minutes. Then gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Pushpin expected results. After use, immediate relief from itching and burning. 3 to 5 days. Reduced redness and inflammation, softer skin. Long-term, healthier skin, less dryness and irritation. Warning caution. Do not apply on broken skin or severe rashes. If itching persists or worsens, seek advice from a dermatologist. Drink enough water and keep skin moisturized naturally. Speaking head, dealing with itchy, irritated skin? Try a mix of castor oil and baking soda. It calms the redness and helps your skin heal, gently and naturally. 9. Sciatic nerve pain in older adults. Firecracker common symptoms. Sharp or shooting pain radiating from lower back down to the legs. Numbness, tingling in buttocks, thighs, or legs. Worsens with prolonged sitting. Pain worsens when coughing, sneezing, or changing posture. In severe cases, mobility becomes difficult. Warning common causes. Herniated disc pressing on the sciatic nerve. Aging-related spinal or disc degeneration. Muscle strain or arthritis in the lower back. Poor posture or heavy lifting. Test tube castor oil plus baking soda for sciatic nerve pain relief. White heavy checkmark castor oil reduces inflammation and eases muscles. Ricinoleic acid reduces inflammation in the nerves and soft tissues. Improves circulation and reduces nerve pressure. Soothes tight muscles and joints. White heavy checkmark baking soda balances and soothes the body. Neutralizes acidity, helping reduce tingling from inflammation. Eases tension in soft tissue. Relaxes the body and calms nerve irritation. Wrench how to use for sciatica pain. Backhand index pointing right. Method 1. Massage on lower back and legs. Mix 1 tablespoon castor oil with 1/2 tablespoon baking soda. Apply to lower back, buttocks, and legs. Massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Let sit for 20 minutes. Optionally apply a warm towel over the area. Pushpin used twice daily, especially at night for relief. Backhand index pointing right. Method 2. Relaxing foot soak. Fill a basin with warm water. Add 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to reduce overall tension. Pushpin expected results. After massage, immediate relaxation, reduced tension. 3 to 5 days. Less pain, reduced numbness, easier movement. Long-term, decreased sciatica flare-ups, better nerve comfort. Warning expert tip. Severe or chronic pain needs a specialist's evaluation. Combine with light stretching or physical therapy. Avoid prolonged sitting or standing. Speaking head, sciatic pain making it hard to move? Try castor oil and baking soda massage. Relief might come faster than you think. 10. Mild constipation, slow digestion. Firecracker common symptoms. Difficulty passing stools, infrequent bowel movements. Hard, dry stools, incomplete bowel emptying. Bloating, gas, and heaviness in the stomach. Mild abdominal pain, especially after meals. Fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. Warning causes: low fiber intake, dehydration, inactivity or reduced physical movement, irregular eating habits, gut microbiome imbalance, age-related slowdown in digestion. Test tube castor oil plus baking soda for better digestion and constipation relief. White heavy checkmark castor oil, natural laxative. Ricinoleic acid stimulates bowel movement. Increases water in the intestines, softens stool. Eases abdominal discomfort and bloating. White heavy checkmark baking soda. Supports digestion and pH balance. Neutralizes stomach acid, improves digestion. Reduces gas and indigestion. Helps enzymes work more effectively. Wrench how to use for mild constipation. Backhand index pointing right method 1. Drink castor oil plus baking soda mix. Mix 1 teaspoon castor oil with half a teaspoon baking soda in a glass of warm water. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning. Follow up with plenty of water. Pushpin use once per week for mild constipation, up to 2 to 3 times weekly if needed. Backhand index pointing right method 2. Abdominal massage. Warm 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Gently massage in circular motion over the lower abdomen. Focus on the area around the colon for 10 minutes. Pushpin apply 2 to 3 times per week to support digestion. Pushpin expected results. Right after use, lighter feeling, reduced bloating. 1 to 2 days, more regular bowel movements. Long-term, healthier digestion, less constipation. Speaking head, feeling bloated or irregular. A gentle castor oil and baking soda routine may be just what your body needs to get things moving naturally. Warning expert note: if constipation persists or is accompanied by severe abdominal pain or blood in the stool, seek medical attention immediately. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support regular bowel movements and maintain healthy digestive function. A fiber-rich diet, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and increased physical activity also help improve digestion. Speaking head, struggling with frequent constipation? Using castor oil combined with baking soda can help your digestive system run more smoothly. Just drink a small glass in the morning or massage your abdomen. You'll feel lighter and find it easier to go. 11. Lower back pain, due to spinal degeneration or poor posture. Firecracker common symptoms: dull or sudden lower back pain, especially when bending, lifting heavy objects, or sitting for long periods with poor posture. Stiffness or difficulty moving the lower back. Pain that may radiate to the abdomen, buttocks, or legs in cases of disc herniation. Numbness or tingling in the lower back or legs, especially after sitting too long. Increased pain in the morning, particularly after sleeping in the wrong position. Warning common causes of lower back pain: spinal degeneration, worn down discs pressing on nerves. Poor posture, prolonged incorrect sitting or bending techniques. Excess weight, adds pressure to the spine and joints. Aging, natural wear and tear of discs and joints over time. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda help relieve lower back pain. White heavy checkmark castor oil reduces inflammation and boosts circulation. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps reduce inflammation and pain in joints and muscles surrounding the spine. Improve blood flow, easing pressure on the spine and nerves. Relax tight muscles and support healing of strained tissues. Light bulb castor oil is especially effective for relaxing joints and muscles, particularly in cases of spinal degeneration. White heavy checkmark baking soda balances pH and eases pain. Baking soda helps balance body pH, reducing inflammation and pain. Relax muscles and ease tension and soreness from movement. Detoxify the body by flushing out harmful elements that may worsen back pain. Wrench how to use castor oil plus baking soda to ease lower back pain. Backhand index pointing right method 1. Castor oil massage. Warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Apply to the painful lower back area, spine, or surrounding muscles. Gently massage in upward, Circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes to relax muscles and reduce pain. After massaging, cover with a warm towel or heating pad to retain heat and boost effectiveness. Pushpin apply 2 to 3 times daily for best results. Backhand index pointing right method 2. Warm bath with baking soda. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a warm bath. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to relax the body and ease lower back pain. While soaking, gently rub the lower back to release muscle tension. Pushpin used 2 to 3 times per week to improve chronic back discomfort. Pushpin expected results. Immediately after massage, relief, relaxation, and less tension in the lower back. After 2 to 3 days, reduced pain, improved mobility, and less stiffness. Long-term, lower stress on the spine, improved circulation, and slower progression of spinal degeneration. Warning: expert tips. If lower back pain is persistent or comes with numbness or muscle weakness, consult a doctor to identify the exact cause. Maintain proper posture in daily activities and do light exercises to keep the spine flexible and healthy. A balanced diet and weight loss can reduce pressure on the spine and joints, improving back health overall. Speaking head, suffering from lower back pain caused by spinal wear or poor posture. Try massaging with warm castor oil and soaking in a baking soda bath. Within a few days, you'll feel more comfortable, experience less pain, and move more freely. 12. Brittle, dry nails. Firecracker common symptoms. Fingernails and toenails are brittle and break easily, even without injury. Nails appear dry, dull, and lose their natural shine. Nails may have cracks, ridges, or peel off in small layers. Pale nails with white or brown spots, lacking vitality. Warning: common causes. Nutritional deficiencies, especially lacking in vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, zinc, and omega-3. Dehydration, dry climate or frequent exposure to water, soap, and harsh chemicals. Aging, natural aging weakens nails over time. Stress and poor diet. These also reduce nail health. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda support nail health. White heavy checkmark: castor oil deeply moisturizes and stimulates nail tissue regeneration. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps deeply hydrate dry nails and cuticles. Promote cell regeneration, making nails stronger. Minimize breakage and protect against external damage. Light bulb castor oil is one of the best natural oils for restoring nail moisture and strength. White heavy checkmark baking soda cleans and enhances nail health. Baking soda helps remove buildup and debris under nails. Gently nourish the nails, reducing dryness and brittleness. Improve circulation around the nail bed, supporting healthy nail growth. Wrench how to use for brittle, dry nails. Backhand index pointing right method 1. Massage with castor oil. Apply castor oil to each fingernail and toenail. Gently massage for a few minutes to allow deep absorption. Leave overnight or at least 30 minutes before rinsing. Pushpin use daily for noticeable improvement within 1 to 2 weeks. Backhand index pointing right method 2. Soak nails in baking soda. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl of warm water. Soak nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and apply moisturizing oil, like castor oil, to lock in hydration. Pushpin apply 2 to 3 times per week to strengthen and hydrate nails over time. Pushpin effects. Immediately, nails feel softer and less dry. After 1 week, nails look shinier, stronger, and less prone to breaking. Long-term, healthier, more resilient nails with reduced brittleness and cracking. Warning: expert tip. Ensure a nutrient-rich diet for strong nails. Vitamins, minerals, and protein are essential. Avoid prolonged contact with water or harsh cleaners. Use gloves when doing housework or handling chemicals. Speaking head, dry, brittle nails. Massage them with castor oil to hydrate and strengthen, or soak them in baking soda to remove buildup and boost blood flow. With consistent care, your nails will grow healthier and look better every day. 13. Dry skin, mild psoriasis, and persistent itchiness. Firecracker common symptoms. Dry, flaky skin with frequent itching and discomfort. Mild psoriasis. Red, scaly patches on elbows, knees, or scalp. Rough texture in dry areas. Persistent, nagging itch. Worse in dry weather or when skin is dehydrated. Warning: common causes. Hormonal changes. especially during aging or postmenopause. Dry environments, cold weather, wind, air conditioning, or indoor heating. Skin allergies, reactions to soaps, detergents, or unsuitable skincare. Skin conditions, like psoriasis or eczema. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda help with dry, irritated skin. White heavy checkmark castor oil, deep hydration and skin soothing. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps. Deliver intense moisture to dry, cracked skin. Calm inflammation and reduce itchiness from mild psoriasis. Promote skin cell renewal and repair damaged skin. Light bulb castor oil is a powerful natural moisturizer that helps keep skin soft and resilient. White heavy checkmark baking soda exfoliates and calms itchy skin. Baking soda helps gently exfoliate dead skin, smoothing out rough areas. Soothe itching with its alkalizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Balance skin's pH to protect against dryness and irritation. Wrench how to use for dry skin, mild psoriasis, and itch relief. Backhand index pointing right method 1 massage with castor oil. Apply castor oil to dry or psoriasis-affected areas. Gently massage for a few minutes. Leave overnight to deeply moisturize and relieve itching. Pushpin use daily for visible improvement within 1 to 2 weeks. Backhand index pointing right method 2, baking soda bath. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a warm bath. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to exfoliate, cleanse, and soothe the skin. After bathing, apply castor oil to lock in moisture. Pushpin do this 2 to 3 times per week to support skin recovery and relief. Pushpin effects. Immediately, skin feels softer and less itchy. After 1 week, smoother texture, reduced flaking, and less visible psoriasis. Long-term, stronger, hydrated skin with reduced irritation and discomfort. Warning expert tip. Use natural moisturizers and avoid alcohol-based products. Eat a diet rich in omega-3, vitamin E, and A to nourish skin from within. Avoid very hot showers and harsh soaps that strip skin of its natural oils. Speaking head, dry, itchy, or flaky skin. Massage with castor oil to hydrate and calm irritation. Take baking soda baths to exfoliate and ease discomfort. Your skin will feel softer and healthier with each use. 14. Weak immune system. Feeling tired all the time. Firecracker common symptoms. Chronic fatigue. Feeling exhausted even without overexertion. Frequent colds, infections, or minor illnesses like sore throat, common cold. Lack of vitality. Feeling drained even after rest. Difficulty recovering after illness. Immune system unable to respond quickly. Warning common causes of a weak immune system and chronic fatigue. Aging. As we age, the production of immune cells decreases, weakening the immune system. Unbalanced diet. Lack of vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients needed for proper immune function. Stressful living environment. Long-term stress and lack of sleep can weaken the immune system. Lack of exercise. Inadequate physical activity can reduce the body's natural immunity. Test tube how castor oil plus baking soda help improve immune function and reduce fatigue. White heavy checkmark castor oil boosts circulation and supports immunity. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil has the following effects. Strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce inflammation and infections in the body. Enhances blood circulation, allowing immune cells to move more effectively throughout the body. Relieves stress, helping the body relax and reduce fatigue. Light bulb castor oil helps enhance overall health, support quick recovery, and alleviate feelings of fatigue and stress. White heavy checkmark baking soda balances pH and reduces toxins. Baking soda helps balance the body's pH level, creating an optimal environment for the immune system to function. Reduce accumulated toxins in the body, clearing out waste and harmful bacteria. Boost metabolism, providing energy to the body and reducing fatigue. Wrench how to use castor oil and baking soda for immune support and fatigue reduction. Backhand index pointing right method 1 massage with castor oil. Apply castor oil to areas such as the chest, back, or abdomen. Massage gently for a few minutes to allow the oil to be absorbed deeply and stimulate blood circulation. Leave it on overnight or for at least 30 minutes before showering to help relax and improve circulation. Pushpin apply 2 to 3 times a week to support immune function and reduce fatigue. Backhand index pointing right method 2. Foot soak with baking soda. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda to warm water in a foot soak basin. Soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes to relax your body and enhance blood circulation. After soaking, apply a moisturizer, like castor oil, to your feet and body to maintain moisture. Pushpin apply 2 times a week to improve fatigue and support immune function. Pushpin effects. Right after the massage, a feeling of relaxation, reduced fatigue and stress, and a more comfortable body. After 1 week, a refreshed feeling, more energy, less fatigue, and quicker recovery after illness. In the long term, improved immune system, better resistance to illness. Warning: expert advice. Balanced diet. Add foods rich in vitamin C, D, zinc, and iron to support the immune system. Regular exercise. Physical activity helps improve blood circulation and strengthen resistance. Reduce stress. Try relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises to manage stress. Feeling tired, constantly sick? Massage with castor oil to boost your immune system and relieve stress. Soak your feet in baking soda to relax and improve overall health. Try it now to feel healthier and full of energy. You've just discovered 14 common health issues for older adults that can be alleviated right at home with just castor oil and baking soda. 2 inexpensive yet surprisingly beneficial health remedies. Brain remember. Maintain a regular castor oil massage routine. Combine foot soaks and detox baths with baking soda. And don't forget to listen to your body, as every symptom is a vital signal your body is sending you. Herb healthcare doesn't need to wait until serious illness strikes. Start today with natural, safe, and effective remedies. Subscribe to the channel for more natural healing tips, especially for seniors. Envelope with arrow if you'd like me to provide more specific guidance for your health condition. Leave a comment below. I'll respond in upcoming videos.